just at the Trent and Mersey Canal. This time I'm at the Barliston end. Beautiful day today. A few boats moored up. Just having a walk along, see my old workplace, Wedgwood, in a minute. Really enjoyed working on there, some great people. And nearly all my family work there, my brother-in-law's still on there. Probably the most famous pottery manufacturer in the world. That's why I love being on the canals. You got car peeping down, nice to be away from everyone. Massive part of the industrial revolution, the canals, engineered by James Brindley. J.S.R. Wedgwood was a big benefactor in getting it built. Obviously vital in exporting ware, China to Hull docks, Liverpool docks. But I always think of the work that went into it. Just that one bit there, how wide that is. Digging it out by picks and shovels must have been unbelievable, really. You'll see Wedgwood in the distance, just coming up now. You'll see the sign up there. You right? You can quite make it out from here. Used to employ like thousands years ago, but like most factories, they've been stripped back. But what's the museum's really good on there. We'll go on the tour of this really nice restaurant, the Lunar restaurant as well too. A lot of visitors come to Stoke to visit the Wedgwood Museum, and Gladstone's a fantastic one as well, Middleport. I just want to get it on from this angle really. Still a really big factory. This actual journey we're on now, this will take you to eventually to the Stoke City Stadium. There's actually fans that go to matches from Stone along here. It must take them about 3 hours, but I always think what good fun it is. You see them having a beer and stuff when I walk the match down here sometimes. It's a nice boat. Always fancied the lifestyle, but I watched the Canal diaries, and the problems that they hit are unbelievable. The locks and stuff. It must be such a peaceful life though. But we're surrounded by canals, and a lot of people don't associate Stoke-on-Trent with countryside, but we've got so much countryside in Stoke. Where we are now, Barliston Downs is so nice. You've got sort of park hall. You only have to go up to Stone area, just surrounded by it, and people haven't got a clue how nice Stoke is. You go to like the city centres and stuff and pick on vulnerable people really, but you never see anyone coming off a train and coming Barliston or coming Trentham Gardens, because basically people won't watch it. People want misery, which is sad really. But you post things like this and positive stuff, and a few people watch it, which I really appreciate, but you film something bad and you get hundreds of likes and hundreds of views, but I think, what a world, you know. I'd rather come somewhere like this and go dives all over the country. Well, this is quite a long one now, so I'll wrap it up there, but thanks ever so much for watching. We're exploring more canals. We're surrounded by them, going up to Shardlow again, that's a really nice one. But thanks for watching and have a good weekend. Make sure you cream up, it's going to be 32 tomorrow.